Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today we're going to take a look at a knife that I've been wanting to see ever since I first laid my eyes on this thing. This knife is an absolute beast, and the person who owns it paid a lot of money for it and waited a long time to get it, so I'm beyond thrilled to have this thing in front of me right now. This here is the Alexander Cheburkov Bear. As you can see, it has beautiful milled titanium handles, bronzed hardware. I mean, look at that swedge and that fuller. Oh man, it's just so beautifully done. The Alexander Cheburkov logo right there under the jimping, which it is a frame lock. That bronze hardware really shows through on this side. But for those who are going to ask, no, it's not a deep carry pocket clip. But however, it does come with this really nice fitted leather belt sheath, which there's no two ways this knife fits in this thing. It's one way and one way only. Keeps it from bouncing around. Very, very nice. Anyway, the action on this guy is just superb. With the weight of that blade, it just really swings open. Again, you could see how beautiful this thing is and how big. I mean, this is Crocodile Dundee big. You know, yeah, I've seen bigger folders, but this thing is it's a monster. I absolutely love carrying it though. They actually managed to keep it down quite thin, so it's a little over a ½ inch thick, which really isn't that bad. But yeah, this side, I gotta say, is my favorite side. Just that little bit extra bronze hardware really makes it look good. The overall length on this guy is 9.75 inches. The blade length is 4.50 with a cutting edge of 4.25. The width is 1.25. The handle length or closed length is 5.50 with a width of 1.25. And the weight, which really isn't that bad, 7.240. So again, it's really not that bad. This belt sheath does make that a little bit more of an easy carry, but it is pretty thin compared to, let's say, like the Reese Weiland Fatty Slasher, which yeah, I mean, look at that thing. Come on. I'll show that guy off a little bit more later. I've actually just got it in the mail yesterday, so I really want to get a little more familiar with it before I start flipping it around here. Maybe get a little more pocket or backpack time with it, I guess you could say. Compared to something like the Pair 2, you can see it's almost a full 2 inches larger, as well as the Mannix 2 as well. You know, that's a really big knife. 9.75 inches that's a fixed blade size. And compared to the field grade Bodega, you can see it's still 1.5 inches larger than it. So again, this thing is an absolute beast, and I'm just beyond thrilled to have this thing in front of me right now. Again, thank you. You know who you are. Anyway, if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram. I have a giveaway, which is this Civivi Fracture Gray Tanto. So all you got to do is go over and follow Darcy Below's Hanks, and you will automatically be put in, which again is much appreciated. And I'm not going to open this to show it off, because you can read the label, hopefully. Anyway, I appreciate all the support you guys have given me so far. Stay tuned. I got plenty more coming out. Don't forget to also roll over to DTOM Knives and Gear. Get in on that raffle for GarricoreEDC. I mean, all the prizes, I literally can't list them all. There is just a lot. And they keep coming in too. So somebody's really going to get hooked up. Whoever that winner is. Or actually, I believe there's like 3 winners now at this point. I have to check. Or 3 prize packages, something like that. But anyway, stay tuned. See you guys on the next one.